Hi everybody, and welcome to Winterthur. My name is Collin Hadsell, and this is the Bloom Report. And today, we're just going to enjoy a slow winter morning. There's finally some sunshine this morning. It's super exciting. And things are coming to life. I know it's January, but we're already starting to get the first pops of snowdrops and winter aconite and Adonis. And so we'll take a little walk around and enjoy the quiet, enjoy the sunshine, and see what we can see. And I know that winter doesn't seem like there would be a lot of blooms, but if you've been watching these videos long enough, you know that winter is full of blooms, just like those witch hazels and the snowdrops. And I even saw a couple of snowflakes. It seems really early, but down by this little rill close to the creek in the March Bank, I saw some snowflakes. In that same vein of thought, lately, I've really admired this garden for showing me that the seasons are not four distinct blocks of time, and that it's more of a circle rather than a square, that everything bleeds into the next thing, that fall turns seamlessly into winter, and you had those Adonis back there, and even some Crocus thomasinianus blooming early, and some winter jasmine. On mornings like this, it all becomes really apparent that we're part of this whole, rather than everything being individually designated. And although the koi fish do not eat in the winter, I still take care of the ponds. I make sure this pump is running to keep that bottom pond, which does not have a constant flow of water, from freezing over. As long as there's a little air for the koi to breathe, then they are all right all the way through the winter, even in the really cold days. To top off my morning, I did something that I love to do in the winter because it is not hot and there are no bugs to pop out of the azaleas as you prune them. So I set to work lowering some of these azaleas and keeping them just a little bit cleaner so that when they bud up and they eventually bloom, it'll be a really nice picture. As usual, thanks so much for joining me on this winter walk in the Winterthur garden, and have a great day.